Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Fenix 6 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a reset of your Fenix 6. So there are actually several different types of resets that can be performed on the Fenix 6, and some of these will delete all the data and put it back to factory settings, and others will just reset the settings and leave all the data including watch faces, activities, things like that. So let's go on and get started. The first thing we need to do is hold the up button to open the menu. Once here, simply hit the up button again until we see System, and select System using the Start or Stop button right here. Alright, in System we're going to hit the up button again until we get to Reset, select Reset. So we have a couple different options in here. The first is going to be Reset Default Settings. So what this will do is this will reset all of the settings on the watch back to default. So this includes all of the settings on the watch, but what this will not do is delete any of the data from the watch. So it's not going to delete any of your activities, it's not going to delete your steps, it's not going to delete any of the apps or watch faces that you have downloaded. So if you have some strange issues going on or you changed a setting and you're not sure how to fix it, you can fix it using this option. Next we have Delete All Activities, and this will delete all of the activities that you have performed on the watch. So if you've performed any activities and recorded them with the Fenix 6, this will delete that data from your Fenix 6. It'll leave everything else intact though, including the settings or data that you've downloaded. Next we have Reset Totals, and this will reset all of the totals on the watch, such as miles ran, steps, stair count, everything like that. It kind of just refreshes that and it'll reset it back to 0. Now the last option we have is Delete Data and Reset Settings. This is going to be a factory reset of the Garmin Fenix 6, and basically it will remove everything from the watch and reset it to the way it was when you first opened it from the box. Now you'll have to go through the initial steps of setting up the watch, so just keep that in mind. This will also remove all of the watch faces, apps, widgets, anything you've downloaded from the Connect IQ store. So all you need to do that is simply select it. It's going to give you a quick warning that it's going to delete everything. Press the down button to select Continue, and then once this menu comes up, scroll down to Yes and select Yes. Now it's going to reset the screen and you'll see the Garmin emblem. That means that the reset has been successful. Alright, and then once you get to this screen where it's asking you to select your language, that means that the reset has been completed. Now one thing to keep in mind, if you have any issues with this while it's resetting where it takes a long time, mine took over 5 minutes, I recommend plugging it into the charger. I did that to mine and it pretty quickly after that completed the resets. So I don't know what that does, but that seemed to have helped. That's how you perform a factory reset on your Garmin Fenix 6. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fenix 6 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.